I originally bought this because we have a dog, but we also use it in our living room because we have a wood-burning fireplace. This is a PuroAir 240 HEPA air purifier, and it's designed for larger rooms up to 1,000 square feet, which makes a big difference in open spaces. It uses a true HEPA filtration system that filters up to 99.9% of airborne particles, including pet dander, dust, pollen, and smoke. On days we use the fireplace, it really helps keeping the air feeling cleaner instead of smoky. Another thing I appreciate is just how quiet it runs. We can leave it on while watching TV or overnight, and it's not distracting at all. To switch on and off is at the top of the filter, and it has 3 settings plus a sleep mode, as well as a timer for 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. So before you go to bed, you can turn it on sleep mode, and you don't have to think about it till the next morning. I also really like that the light turns on when it's time to change the filter, so you don't have to keep checking periodically manually. The light will just light up, and you can change the filter. I wanted to show you how easy it is to change the filter. You just open the back on the bottom of the air filter, and to swap the filter, you just pull it out, you close it, and you're done. There's no tools and no hassle. This uses a true HEPA filter, which is designed to trap very fine particles like pet dander, dust, pollen, and smoke instead of just pushing air around. You can see how dense the filter is, which helps capture particles as air passes through. It's a straightforward, high-quality filter and easy to swap out when it's time for a replacement.